in my coop. Hello friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, and everyday entertaining. And so here we are once again unpacking China. We did this around Thanksgiving time. I'll link the video up in the cards so that you can see the previous time that I unpacked even more China. That time it was plates and saucers and dishware. My mother is on this campaign of passing down to me her fine china. And so I am sharing that with you all. As you see here, we have beautiful, beautiful china that is white with gold rim. And so when I got married and I registered for my china, I actually registered for very similar china to the china that my mother has. And so it all matches and it all goes together. So it's great to have it now. So one of these days, I will give you a full china collection. So these glasses are very, very beautiful. These are tumblers that are beautiful glass, and then they have a textured glass that is inside of this calla lily pattern, and then all of those calla lilies are rimmed in gold. I find these very, very beautiful. I think I'm going to put them on my bar cart and they can hang out there for right now. I continue to unpack, and it's like Christmas because I'm opening all of these things. I don't know what anything is, but when I open it, I get so excited because I'm recognizing so many things from my childhood. I also really love this beautiful glass pitcher along with the dome. That's great for a cheese plate, chocolate plate, what have you. We have this beautiful, beautiful heavy weighted butter dish, and also these coffee pots. Those are coffee pots. You can tell by the height of them versus a teapot that's a little bit shorter. And now I am just unwrapping an old-fashioned punch bowl set. I love it. It's a beautiful punch bowl set with a leaf motif and matching glasses. And it also has a matching pitcher as well. Who doesn't love an old-fashioned punch bowl set? I definitely do as a person who entertains. Think of eggnog at Christmas time, or, a beautiful punch in the summertime at a garden party. This is a wonderful thing to have in my collection. And now I am opening up the beautiful, beautiful stemware. There were so many pieces. Red wine glasses, white wine glasses, water glasses, just beautiful, beautiful stemware. These are some beautiful gold rimmed water glasses. I can't wait to set my table next. Thanks, Mom. And then my cousin surprised me and sent me part of my aunt's collection. So my aunt passed away about a year ago now, last August, and I just want to take a moment to honor her. She was a beautiful woman of elegance, grace, class. And, my mom and her sisters, I've talked about them many times on this channel, are so meaningful in my life because they are the women that I patterned my life after. My aunt passed away last year, and she had a prolific blue and white ceramic and china collection. It included both Americana art as well as French toile, as well as Asian patterns like chinoiserie, I guess you would call it. So she had a prolific blue and white collection, and this is just a mere part of that collection. And I'm so grateful that my cousin decided to send me a bit and share it with me because it makes me think of her when I look at it. It makes me really happy. So each of, when I think about my mom and her sisters, they were all, while professional women in their own right and bosses, if I must say, they were beautiful and elegant ladies that also believed in homemaking and feminine things, and beautiful housewares and things of that nature. And so I just feel so grateful that all of these things have been passed along to me. I lost another one of my aunts recently. I'll talk about her in another video, but she was the eldest of all of them. She just recently passed a couple of weeks ago. And so I'm grateful to have this collection from my Aunt Vivian. And I started counting the pieces that I had, and there were over 80 pieces. I stopped counting at 80. And so here was my method to get all of this organized, because this was a process. I did this over a few days. You can see I changed clothes a few times. I first started throwing away anything broken, chipped, anything that looked like it really would be difficult to fix. I went ahead and got rid of that stuff. So that helped me thin things out quite a bit. And after I went through and did all of that, looking at each item carefully, ensuring that it was not something that I could repair, anything that I saw that was beyond repair, I just went ahead and tossed it out. I don't have a lot of blue and white in my home. That is not really my color scheme. My color scheme is more white, black, gray, and with pops of green. And so I am going through and seeing which things I'm going to keep here at my house as a memento, and which items I'm going to move down to our farmhouse, which is in a blue and white color scheme. So many of these items are going to our farmhouse, but I am going to keep a few because I want to see these sprinklings and think of my aunt as I drink from a cup or use them. And so the next step that I did was I began to sort everything. So I put teacups together, coffee cups together, that sort of thing, put all of the decorative items together, and all of the teapots together. So you'll just see me doing that quick sort here. And I decided to keep, I think I kept one china, what did I keep? I kept one china cup and saucer set, and then I kept a few of the coffee cups, so about 6 pieces I kept here at home, and then the rest are going to go to our farmhouse for use. And the things that are staying here, of course, I'm going to wash and get those ready for use. And then the things that are going to the farm, I'm going to go ahead, you'll see me later in the video, go ahead and pack those items up. And I will wash them on the other end when I get to the farm. So here's everything all sorted out. All of the decorative items are here in this section. All of the coffee cups, mugs, saucers, teacups are all in the next section. And then all of the teapots are here in this section, as well as this pitcher and basin. And so now I'm just going to pack up all of the things that I am going to take down to the farmhouse. So again, it is such an honor to have all of these things from both my mom, who's still alive, but I think that she is done with her entertaining days, and also my aunt. Both of them have been such an example in my life, and I'm just so grateful for the both of them and the pattern that they laid before me on how to be feminine and how to entertain. Doing this video has given me the idea to do a video on the different types of china. Please subscribe so you don't miss it. Everything's all packed up now. Thanks for watching.